how to completely uninstall your Brave browser along with its folder. So let's get started. First thing, make sure that you have completely closed your Brave browser. After that, just go to Search and type Control. You'll be getting this control panel, open it, and here select Programs and Features, and here you'll be having the Brave. Under B, just going to right-click and select Uninstall, click on Yes, and make sure that you're just checking this. Also, delete your browsing data and click on Uninstall. And that said, it has been uninstalled. You won't be having the Brave over here, so now again, just go to Search and type for Run, and you'll be getting this. You're going to type here, %local app, data percentage, and just click on OK. So this will take us to App Data Local Folder, and here we will be having the Brave software folder over here, so you can just right-click and delete this. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.